Welcome to another video with Invest with the Doctor. My name is Dr. Haider. I am a doctor in the emergency department during the day, and at night, I am an investor and a trader. I like looking at stocks, they are my hobby, and generally throughout the day, I'm trying to look at different stocks and which stocks I can invest in. And a lot of the times I'm posting about those stocks so that other people can also benefit from the stock price. Now, today I'm talking about a stock called Coinbase. Um, the reason I'm talking about it is that people have been asking me about this stock, Coinbase. Now, the thing with Coinbase is it's a crypto exchange. It is a US based crypto exchange. I think the biggest is Binance, but Coinbase, because it's a US based crypto exchange, it is quite popular. And the stock price has been going up like crazy lately. I made a sort of a post about it yesterday, and since yesterday, the price has gone up by nearly 12%. Now, the reason why Coinbase is the price has been going up is because it's got a few catalysts going for it, which is causing the price of the stock to rise. Now, one of them is the stablecoin legislation, which is happening in the US, and as soon as it's completed and there are more legislation in place, um, more and more stable coins are going to be used, which is why the stock circle was going up as well. And Coinbase is going to get direct benefit from this. Bitcoin, I mean, the Coinbase itself, apart from being a crypto exchange, it benefits from Bitcoin custody. So, if there are institutions that want Bitcoin custody, they would speak to Coinbase to have their crypto and have their Bitcoins with them. I think at the moment, Coinbase holds about 12% of global supply of Bitcoin itself. The legislation that's happening in the US is the Genius Act, which sort of remains to sort of completely go through the government, and they may make it into a law as soon as that happens, and that's supposed to, I think, happen by the end of next month. That's going to be a huge catalyst for Coinbase itself, and maybe the reason why people are just front running the news itself. Also, the Coinbase platform itself has is trying to get into e-commerce. So they've issued a Coinbase Visa card, um, um, and that's going to be sort of getting quite popular as well amongst people. And they're going to be getting a Coinbase debit card. So that's one more reason, for the price to be sort of going in and out, but mostly going up. And also, at the moment, we are in a Bitcoin bull market. So that's one of the reasons. Again, when Bitcoin is in a bull market, that makes it quite how would say, I mean, it's quite proportional to the price going up higher. Coinbase price tends to rise in a Bitcoin bull run. So these are the reasons why I thought it's a good idea to be in this stock now. So this is the daily chart of Bitcoin itself. And as you can see, it's risen up quite a bit um, um, today, and has been rising for a little while. But I mean, today I think it's gone up nearly 12% just today. So these are this is the daily chart of Coinbase itself. The ticker for it is COIN, as you can see here. And this what I like about this chart, if you've followed any of my previous videos, is I like the moving averages. So you can see this blue line here, which is the 21-day moving average. So it's above the 21-day, and it's above this red one, which is the 50-day moving average. So this was the daily chart. Now let me show you the same thing on the weekly chart, which looks even more bullish. So this is the weekly chart. You can see the nice big candles sort of in this week. And if you can see, if I can draw it here, it's following this very accurate trend line. Look at how it's touching sort of this trend line as it goes up. So it's following the trend line quite nicely. So technically, whoever is trading, looking at it from just a technical point of view, they will see that the price has been going up and will continue sort of buying the stock. My my price target, as I mentioned, sort of previously, has been 405 US dollars, and I know many were thinking this is quite high and it won't go there, but I mean these are the I mean I usually, when I post, I don't sort of give the background reasons why sort of I'm investing, because it would take too long, and it's better explained in a video like this. But I sort of post the technical portions of it, and not the sort of fundamental reasons behind it. So this was my short video on Coinbase, and why I think the price is likely to reach this price of 405 US dollars, which I've shown as a flag here. Currently, the price is 344 US dollars. So I hope you got a bit of an idea about this stock. I'm going to be posting another video tomorrow, and hopefully day after tomorrow, mentioning some other stocks that I feel would sort of benefit from sort of price appreciation, and there was some catalysts behind them as well, which is why the price is likely to go up in the coming few weeks and months. So if you get a chance, do watch that video, which is going to be coming up either tomorrow or the day after. As I get time, I'll try to make those videos as well. I hope this was useful to you. I've got the links of my socials in the description, which sort of mentions my YouTube channel, Twitter, and TikTok channel as well, where I sort of try to regularly post as well. So, as always, thanks for watching.